Are you a fashion designer struggling to find work right now? I completely understand. This year has just been so tough for most people, and a lot of brands and companies are struggling and they can't afford to hire a fashion designer right now. So what are we gonna do? What are all of us amazing fashion designers going to do? Well, we can get creative and design online. Hey honey, welcome to my channel Design by Ida. My name is Teresa, I'm a professional fashion designer. And today I want to talk to you about what you can do when you are in between jobs. So this year has been a strange and a tough year for most, and many brands and companies are struggling right now. And they cannot afford to use a fashion designer to produce new collections for them, right? So some brands have warehouses just full of clothes that they need to keep selling because they can't invest in a new collection before they have sold the old one, right? There's a lot of money tied up in that. So, and some brands will just really contact the producer and just be like, we need red ski jackets. We can't afford to spend money on custom designs and hiring a fashion designer right now. So just show us what you got. And then they just place their orders directly with the producer without any design changes, really. And this is what happens when companies are struggling to survive. They really can't spend money on fashion design right now. So what are you gonna do? You're a fashion designer like me, right? And you want to design and you want to be creative and you want to make money, right? So what can you do? Well, you can do it all online. This is something that I have started doing myself because sometimes when I design for brands, they have a lot of opinions about what they can and can't do. So I don't have like complete creative freedom, right? Because I always have to think, okay, so what are the customers expecting? What can we do within this price range? What season is it? What's the age group we're designing for? How is the brand perceived? You know, are they all about neutral colors? Then maybe I will not be able to use the hot pink that I love, you know, things like this. So when you're designing online using print-on-demand services, you can go crazy. You can be as creative and design amazing, unique designs without anyone holding you back. So it's pretty fun. And there are many ways you can make money doing this. You can use sites like Printful or Printify and create amazing designs, and you can sell them on like Etsy, or you can go on Redbubble and create designs and sell them directly there. Or you can create designs and have your own web shop or post on Amazon, right? There are so many roads to making money, so choose the one that fits you the best. Are you comfortable making your own website, your own web shop? Then go ahead, you know, create a Shopify store, you know, use Printful or Printify or another print-on-demand service and create amazing designs for customers, okay? So now that you have complete creative freedom, you can design the things that you love. Use the colors that you love, create funny prints or patterns or whatever it is that you're passionate about. Go crazy. You are free to design whatever you want, right? So try it out, play around with it, okay? It's a lot of fun. So I decided to try this myself because in March, when I was in the middle of starting a new collection and Corona happened, and China shut down, it became kind of difficult for me to work as a fashion designer in like the typical normal way where I communicate with China all the time and I get samples and go through lab dips and print swatches and everything, right? So I had to find a new way to work as a fashion designer. So I figured I would try out the print-on-demand services. And I have been working a little bit in Printful and Printify right now, trying them out. And I set up a new Shopify store where I can sell my designs. And it's called marumi.shop. So as a fashion designer, it's your job to pick up on trends and pick up on influences from, you know, the different seasons and cultures and what's going on around you so that you can design garments, clothes, products that are on trend and attractive right now, okay? So this is what I've done. I've been designing like snowflake prints, and I've made the snowflake collection, and I have been designing like reindeer prints and like Merry Christmas and all the holiday stuff, right? I made a plaid pattern because it's fall going into Christmas, and we love those like plaid blankets and plaid coats and garments and everything. So I made some plaid prints for that. Another thing that's going on right now is that everyone's kind of like struggling with coming up with new unique Christmas gifts every single year, because let's face it, we have a lot of stuff, right? Most of your loved ones already have a lot, and it's difficult to find something that will make them happy, something that will be unique and special to them that they don't already have, right? So I decided to add customized parts of my designs so that people can add their own initials and their own names to the prints. So you can get a t-shirt that has like a reindeer and your name on it, or maybe it's a hoodie for your kid and it says Princess Emma on it, you know, or maybe it is, you know, it can be anything. So if you're a fashion designer and you're in between jobs right now, why not try to use your fashion skills and use print-on-demand services and make some money online? It's a great thing to do, especially when you're at home all day in your pajamas or sweats and you're just kind of like stuck at home because of Corona, right? So be creative online, make money online, use your fashion design skills, go to Printify, go to Printful, get started. It's a lot of fun. Even if you don't sell it, it's good practice. You get to see the designs on the garments right away. You can test out, okay, like a hoodie in this color with this print or this pattern. You can be so creative, and it's really good for you to practice, because if you just sit and watch TV all day, you're gonna struggle when you get back to work and you get a new job, okay? So here are the designs that I have just made, and if you want to buy any of these gifts for your loved ones, you can just click on the link below in the descriptions. So I hope that you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe because I post new videos every single Friday. So thank you for watching, have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!